Just make sure there's no kangaroos.
We can get more.
This is 72.
Do you want to feed that one, Lon? How'd you get then?
Yep. I'll just tip it in. This is very honest.
Whatever. Throw it in.
Yeah.
Don't put your hands in, Lon. You'll peck you. Back a wee bit.
She's not scared, is she?
Nah.
Look at its feet.
Look at his tail.
Yeah.
Dad, look at his tail.
I know.
Just throw it.
You can't.
No, look, just go.
Throw it and I'll go through the fence. Just throw it. It's
Check.
It's alright. It's okay, darling. You're alright.
Oh, it's alright.
It's okay, he's okay, look.